In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not showing up on laptop or PC for Windows 11 and 10. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is firstly plug in your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Of course, make sure it's USB-C if possible. Now you want to make sure it's USB-C where possible because it is going to be the fastest rate of data connection. But once you have your iPhone connected, what you want to do is go over to your this PC section and you're going to see Apple iPhone as one of the options. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, you're going to see internal storage, but you got to give permission. So it might ask you for your passcode on your iPhone. That's why you saw the little refresh there. And then if you want to transfer photos from iPhone to your PC or laptop, you can just go into any of these folders. For example, if I go into here, I can basically get any image or anything like that. And then I can just move it over to my desktop if I want to go ahead and do that, just like so. However, let's say I want to move something from my, my PC to my laptop instead, or to my iPhone, with the USB cable again. Then all I got to do is find whatever I have here, and then I can just move it directly into here if I want to, or I can just copy and paste it too. So yeah, you have a few different ways of doing things. I can even make a new folder if I want to, but then that's it. Once you go ahead and do that, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.